So what is up YouTube, Viron Divine, back at it again with another YouTube video. I know y'all are used to the normal football, but we switching it up. We are switching it up. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm about to be driving for this YouTube video. I'm gonna do a quick little review. You guys look back right there. I know you guys see it. Shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews and the rest of you guys, vehicle versions, all of you guys who make those car videos. You guys inspired me to want to do this video. So right now, we have a 2018 Dodge Charger SRT. Do you know anything about cars? If you do, then you'll be amazed by this car. I'm gonna get straight into the video. Guys, I am inside of the SRT right now, getting ready to do a little drive session. And yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit of the inside of the car and continue with the video.
Here we go.
So, with the 6.2 liter V8 engine, this will be the fastest car that I've ever driven. I drove a few different cars before, including mine, which is nowhere near that fast. This is kicking out a ton of horsepower that I'm not used to, but yeah, it's gonna be a pretty fun experience.